So you want to start your own airline? We're laying out the complete blueprint right now.
It's a huge dream, right? Turning a passion for planes into a real business? But let's be real, it's an incredibly complex and capital-intensive journey. First off, you need cash, and I mean hundreds of millions of dollars just to start. Okay, but every great airline starts with a plan, so let's dive into that blueprint. First up, your business blueprint. This is your foundation before you even think about planes. Your business plan is everything. It spells out your mission, your service, and your money.
You've got to know your market cold, find your niche, and figure out your edge.
All right, Section 2. This is the big one, navigating all that government red tape.
We're talking about your Air Operator Certificate. Without this, you're not flying anywhere, period. Getting it means proving everything, your manuals, your money, and especially your safety procedures. You'll also need a team of approved experts for key roles like operations and safety.
Okay, once you're legal, it's time to actually build the airline, the machine itself. Now for the planes. Are you going to buy them or do what most startups do, lease?
And it's not just planes. You need pilots, ground crews, software, the whole operation.
Now, let's talk about the single most important thing, the non-negotiable mandate for safety. Your safety management system isn't just a book on a shelf. It's your airline's DNA. But look, having planes and a license? That's just the ticket to the game today.
To really compete, you have to think about sustainability. It's not optional anymore.
You've also got to innovate the customer experience. Think slick apps and personalized service.
And don't go it alone. Smart partnerships will help you expand your routes and reach. You have to be a master of risk management. See problems before they even happen. And finally, invest in your people. Great training creates a great and safe workforce.
So that's the blueprint. It demands massive capital and relentless execution. The question is, you got what it takes?